Cortez, a 4 Newton student of Tabaco National High School. And currently, I am the photojournalist of this school. I am a Filipino because of I consider myself as a Filipino because I am naturally born as a Filipino, and because of my parents are Filipinos, and I can also I show the traits of Filipinos, like being hospitable, friendly, and as they say, early born Filipinos nowadays are very adventurous. Because I myself, as a mountain biker, I really like adventures like off-road riding, downhills, and dirt jumping.